the pilot has spent over 35 years. This is his 37th year, actually, in the air show business. He has flown everything from hang gliders to helicopters to sailplanes. He even developed, as a rocket scientist, a jet-powered sailplane that enabled him to launch himself. He's flown hang gliders over 100 miles and sailplanes over 200 miles. That's 1/2 of a Cuban 8, 5/8 of a loop and a half a roll.
What kind of fuel capacity?
Developed by accident. The 1936 Miami Air Races, Len Povey was too low at the top of a loop to successfully complete it, so he did what Bob Carlton did and repeated it just as Bob Carlton has done. Nobody had ever seen the maneuver. It looked like a figure 8 lying on its side in the sky. And when he landed, they asked him what the maneuver was. And he said in 2 words in Spanish, Ocho Cubano, because he was training the Cuban Air Force pilots to fly aerobatics. Ocho Cubano, Cuban 8, and the name has stuck. To thank Sonex Aircraft, the manufacturer of the Sonex and the WayX and the Zenas and the 1X, and now the Sonex GSX-2 personal jet. A beautiful roundhouse loop. He also wants to thank PBS in the Czech Republic, the developers of the TJ100 turbojet engine that powers the Sonex GSX-2. PBS has been making military-grade hardware for decades, including the auxiliary power units on many Russian fighters. Thanks to PBS for a superb engine. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for 300 miles an hour from the left. The rocket scientist in the personal jet, Sonex GSX-2.
Okay, buddy, how fast was that pass? Did you take a look at it? You know, I saw about 275. Felt really good. Darn close to the red line. Way to go, buddy. All right, you're going to bring it
also wants to thank MGL Avionics, makers of the digital navigation systems in the subsonics. To PBS for a superb engine, and obviously to Sonex Aircraft LLC, and a special thanks to John and Jeremy and Betty Manette and all of the great folks at Sonex Aircraft for making this possible.